we are looking at the equations in which the unknown is an index. Okay, and we have these questions for explanation. Find x if 3 to power x is this. Question 1, we have 3 to power x is this. Okay, when you have this kind of questions, okay, this is exponential form. This is in base 3. This can't be expressed in base 3. So what do we do? In that case now, when you cannot have the same basis, you take what? Take ln or log of both sides. Take ln of both sides. Either ln or log of both sides. And that will be ln 3x equal to what? ln 7.83, because we can't express 7.83 in form of 3 to power something. So then this one can go to the front. Then we have x ln 3 equal to ln 7.83. Then we can make this one the subjects. So s is equal to ln 7.83 over ln 3. Then we can, so that's 1.873. Question 2. Question 2, if you check that, you can express that this 9 in form of, this is what we have. You can express them in the same form of base. Base can be expressed in the same form. And that means we're having 3 to s squared equal to 9 is 3 to power 2. Okay, x plus 4. Okay, then we can have now 3x squared equal to 2 times x, 2x plus 8. In this case now, the bases are the same. So we call it equal basis. Equal basis. When the bases are equal, automatically the exponent, the power, will be equal. So we're going to have s squared equal to what? 2x plus 8. Okay? Then you can, this one move it to the other side, minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Then factorize the expression. 1 here, 1 here. Factors of 8 is 4 and 2. So how do you use 4 and 2 to get minus 2? So that's minus 4 plus 2. Okay? And then when you multiply minus 4 plus 2, you have back your minus 8. So this is equal to 0, or s plus 2 so equal to 0. So we have s is equal to 4, or s equal to what? Minus 2. So that's that on that question 2. Let's start on question 2 to power 3x plus 1 equal to 5x plus 1. This is base 2, this is base 5. They are not the same. And there's no way you can make them to be the same. And when that happens, you take the ln of both sides of the equation. Take ln of both sides of the equation. And then this one can move to the front, and that will be 3x plus 1 ln 2 equal to s plus 1 ln 5. Okay, then you can start opening the brackets, and this will be ln 2 times this, that will be 3x ln 2 plus ln 2 times 1 ln 2 equal to ln 5 times x, that's x ln 5 plus ln 5 times 1 ln 5. We can collect like times and bring all the x together. So that will be equal to 3x ln 2, move this one to the other side, minus x ln 5 equal to ln 5, move this one to the other side, minus ln 2. So s is common here, take that out. So you have 3 ln 2 minus ln 5 equal to, this one we can combine this one together if you want to. You can combine that together if you want to. So that will be ln 5 over 2. ln 5 over 2 if you want to combine it together. Okay, ln 5 over 2. And this one also, if you want to combine together also, you can also do that also. You can do that also. So this will equal to x. Okay, the bracket ln 2 to the power 3, that's 8. Okay, so that will be 8 over 5. 8 over 5. equal to ln 5 over 2. So make s the subject, and then we'll have ln 5 over 2 divided by what? Divided by ln 8 over 5. Okay? We can still combine them together because this is division. We can still combine them together. So that's what we have in this case. You can take your calculator and get the x value. Take your calculator and get the x value, which is equal to ln 2.5 here over ln 8 over 5 is what? 8 divided by 5, 1.6. So, and that will be equal to ln 2.5 over ln 1.6. So that will give us 1.9495. That's the value for that. Then we'll go to the next question. Question 4. Solve for x log 9 base this plus log 3x squared equal to 2.5. Okay, so what we can do here, this will be log 9 s squared plus log x squared, okay, as the base. Then you see something I will do here, and then times log this one will be here also. Then I have my 3 here equal to what? 2.5. Okay, you see I've not done anything strange. It's the same expression. So just ensure that what you have here is the same, and you have your 3 here and your x squared. It's the same thing. So then this one will give us, we can solve this one, log x s squared will be log x over log s squared, and that will go to log x over 2 log what? 2 log x. So this one we cancel that half. So I have now log 9 with sorry, this is x, not s squared. Okay, so log 9 base x, then plus this one is half. You can put it there, half log 3 base x equal to 2.5. So you can see now the base here are now the same now. Okay, so we now have common logarithm base x, and that will be 9 times this half on top here, that will be root 3, close the bracket, addition, change to multiplication, equal to 2.5. And finally, you now have x 2.5 equal to 9 times root 3, okay, which is equal to 9 times 3 to the power half. Okay, now we go to x to the power 2.5 equal to 9 is 3 squared times 3 to the power half, and that's what 3 is here. Take that and add the power together, and that will be x 2.5 equal to what? 3. This will be what? 5 over 2. 5 over 2. So the bases here are not the same. Take the ln on both sides. Then that will be ln. Take the ln on both sides. But it's not compulsory to take ln on both sides. What we just need to do now is just for us to find a way of this is s, this is 2.5, which is what? Which is 5 over 2. Which is 5 over 2. So use the inverse of that to multiply the power. It's 5 over 2, and then 2 over 5. Okay? 2 we cancel here, 5 we cancel. Just have this equal to what? This will be equal to what? 3. So that's your answer to that question. That's the answer to that question. Okay? Just look for, since you have this, okay, just look for this. That's 5 over 2. Use the inverse of that to multiply the both sides of the powers. So that's that. Let's take more questions. So let's look at this question. Find the value of x if log this, log 3 base x plus log x base 3 is that. So that's very simple. So what do we do here? We're going to make the base to be the same. So, and this will be equal to log 3 base x plus this one, change your base 1 over log. By the time you put 1 on that, this will now flip. So this will be 3 base x. Okay, you got what? 2.5. Okay, so we have made the base to be the same now. So what we now do now, we can let the logarithm to base x, that will be equal to unknown. That will be equal to a plus 1 over a equal to what? 2.5. Multiply through by a, so you have a squared plus 1 equal to 2.5, 2.5a. So then we have a squared minus 2.5a, okay, plus 1 equal to 0. So we have a is equal to 2, a is equal to 2 or half. So these are the a values, but a wasn't in the original question. We are the one that introduced a to the question. So we only have x variable. So what we do now, we just recall that log 3 base x is equal to what? A. So when a is 2, we have s squared equal to what? Equal to 3. Okay? Then we can now do this. This is squared. Take this to power half so that this 2 can go. And this will be what? 3 half. That will be s is equal to what? Root 3. So that's that. So another one again, or log 3 base x is equal to half. And now we go to x half equal to 3. And then you can square both sides so that the half power here can go. Take the square of both sides. So, and that will be equal to what? S equal to what? S equal to 9. So these are the solution to that to this problem. Okay. So what I did here is that when I have 2 here, I just look for a way to cancel these 2, so I can get the x variable. So and that will be by what? By taking the square root of both sides. That's what I did. Okay. Here my power is half. How can I cancel it? By squaring both sides. And that's that on that question. That's that on that question. So this is what we have in this question. We want to find the x value. So what we can do here, the solution will be log 8 base x. We've done something similar to this. The base initially are not the same, so we have to make them to be the same. And that will be equal to minus log s squared x times log 16 x. So with that now, we change the base. We change the base, and that's equal to what? 1. So, and that will be equal to log 8 base x minus, this one will be half. Done that, that's half log what? Log 16 base x equal to 1. You can see the base are now the same now. So we now have log 8 base this minus log 16 power half equal to 1. And this will give us 4. Now will give us 4. So we now have log 8 base x minus log 4. Square root of 16 is 4. Base x equal to 1. So we can combine these two together. Then we have log of 8 over 4 base x equal to 1. And that will be log 2 base x equal to 1. And that will be x to the power 1 equal to 2. And n to the power 1 is that thing. N to the power 1 is that number. So s is what? S is 2 for that question. Okay.